To become proficient in English language and to improve your pronunciation, you have to learn speech sounds in English. Now we have discussed consonants and vowels in English. In today's class, we are going to learn about diphthongs. What is a diphthong? A diphthong is a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in one syllable. ഒരു സിലബിളിൽ തന്നെ രണ്ട് vowel sounds വരുന്നതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ diphthongs എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. And in British English, we have 8 diphthongs in total. The first diphthong, ear, ear, as we have in dear, fear, ear. The second one is a, as we have in day, rain, a sound. This is ua, as we have in cure, pure, sound. Oi, as we have in boy, toy, oi sound. This is ow, go, road, go and road, oh. This is air, chair, bear, air. This is eye, as we have in sky, mine, eye, ow, as in cow, town. Earlier we had another diphthong which was ow, but this is ow. Ow as in go, road, but this is ow as in cow, town. Let's say it together once again. Ear, a, ua, oi, ow, air, I, and finally ow. Learning diphthongs will definitely help you to improve your pronunciation. For more tips, follow Tiju's Academy. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.